Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a packed bubble chart in Tableau. So in my previous video I showed you how to create a map in Tableau. The map looks somewhat like this, and we had divided it into our three different segments, and the colors that you see are for the regions. Zoom out a bit, and the colors that you see are for the regions. So now I'll come to my sheet 2 and I'll be showing you how to create a packed bubbles chart. So now what I want to do is I want to have my segment. Just press Control and then you select your sales as well. So now it shows you the options that are available. So now I'll click on the pack bubble chart. One thing you should remember is when you drag your mouse on each cursor on each of the visuals, it shows you what exactly do you need to make that particular visual. So for example, for a text table I need one or more dimensions. It shows it down right here, see. So for a packed bubble chart I need one or more dimensions and one or two measures. In my previous video I told you what dimensions and measures are. So basically dimensions are text dimensions and measures are values. So now that I have a packed bubbles chart, what can I do with this? I mean, I have a couple of options right here. So I can take this region and drag it to my columns, and one second, drag it to my columns, and I'll have when you press Control 1, the visual pane disappears. So you press Control 1 and it's gone. And now you see I have the packed bubbles chart. I drag my regions into my columns because I wanted to see my segment according to all my four regions. You can have that in your rows as well, not an issue. You can have, I'll keep it in my columns, it looks better there. And now I want to have my segment according to my colors. Already did that. You want to have a profit also, you can do that as well. Just drag your profit in there and you'll see a profit as well. So this is how easy it is to create a packed bubbles chart in Tableau. There are a lot of other detailing that you can work with because Tableau gives you a lot of detailing options. So now if you want to add it, if you could add a lot of other things as well. So for right now, this is basic information you need to create a packed bubbles chart. So thank you. I hope you learned something new.